Hey guys, what's going on today? Keith Shannon, directcarpet.com. Today we are putting in a crazy herringbone carpet runner. As you can see from this staircase, it's got 6 stairs on the way up that are turned on an angle. You can see that to the right there. And then it has 6.5 going up that are straight. We started out at about 44 inches width on the bottom, up to 28 inches wide at the top. So today we're going to show you how we did all this and how you can do that too. If you're just kicking around, just trying to see what kind of methodology goes in so you can find a carpet company in your area that'll do this for you. This is the method that I use and that I recommend. Now right here you can see I've covered all the stairs to save you guys time. I'm just going to show you the bottom stair. We're making a template. I'm running my tape along the side to hold it in place. And then once I get these in place that are formed with the stairs, then we're going to measure and start marking the stairs. Now this is the best way when you're doing a crazy staircase like this. When you're going to put carpet on a staircase like this, you really need to make a template. There's no other way around it. So we're just getting set up to start making marks. We've covered all 6 stairs with paper. And now I am marking 4 inches out from the side. And I'm using a straight edge. You can use whatever you want to mark on these sides. 4 inches on the left, 4 inches from the spindle on the right. Now those ones on the left, they angle out. So that's why you really need a template. This is not a straight staircase by any means. So we're going 4 inches out from the spindle, mark another 4 inches, and then we'll straight edge all the way down. Now what this does is when you do a staircase like this, you have to do your stairs individually. And what this template will do, it'll enable me to cut this now at the shop. Here I am at the shop, trace cutting this out one at a time. And then what I'll do is when I trace it, I flip that upside down and I back trace it onto the carpet. And I'll add a little bit to the top. I don't want it exact, but I need the exact measurement at the top. You'll see me with after I cut this out, I'm gonna take a tape measure and we're gonna make sure that this is exactly perfect. Now see this, before I make that cut, I am going to mark that at whatever the next stair is. If that's 29 1/4, the next stair needs to start at 29 1/4, and so forth and so on. Every stair for the first 6 changes size. It went 44 to 43 to 42 to 41, all the way down. So we're just cleaning this up, marking at number 3. Now you can see, I'm gonna put these together. I had lined all the lines up and made this linear. You can see the angles that these are. All right, we're gonna sew it up on the sides and then off to the job we go. Now guys, if you're looking for this carpet runner or this stair runner, you can pick this exact carpet up at directcarpet.com. We do make them and we do sell them and ship them with free shipping in North America. So here we are under the nose, every inch or two. That staple gun, people seem to ask me an awful lot. That is a Robert staple gun. I have the link in the description down below to my affiliate link to Amazon, so you can pick that up there if you want. Same with that kicker, same with the tucker, same with the knife. Now we like to score it in there and then we like to cut from each side through the binding. Now we're lining in the next stair up. This is the tricky part. You want to make sure that you get this. This is why the work done with the template and the cutting is most important, so you don't run into any trouble on the job. Now the good thing about this is it's not really that hard if you do your homework with the template. And then when you cut them and you make sure that you cut them exact, they're going to fit exact. Now we're just working that down under the nose a little bit. Get that staple gun in there on the 45. Bang, bang, bang. Now listen guys, feel free to drop me a comment down below, ask me any questions. I always answer all my comments and questions. Now you can see there's no underpad on those stairs above. I am putting underpad as I go. Usually I put the underpad down before, but this was a tricky staircase. You know, if I made a mistake on this staircase, oh boy, you know what kind of money that's gonna cost to fix that staircase up? Before Christmas. So yeah, I just did this yesterday. Christmas is in a few days, so that'll date this video, but no matter. But look at that, we're gonna just line those lines up, get that into place, and try to get that as straight as possible. Now this carpet is Anderson Tuftex Stair Runner from Shaw. It's amazing. It doesn't really show the stable marks at all. It's heavy duty. Like I said, you can get that at directcarpet.com. And I personally will sew any size that you want, so you'll actually be in contact with me. So if you're looking to do something like this and make your own template, or if you're just looking for a straight carpet runner, please feel free to contact me here or get a hold of me at support@directcarpet.com. And if you guys go to the website and you hit the chat button, you're going to talk with me directly. I'm very hands-on about this. I'm very passionate about this. I love this stair runner gig. I think it's incredible, and I want to empower people to be able to do this themselves. I think that if I was flipping houses, or if I wanted to save a little bit of money, or even make money in a career, I would learn to do this, and I would not install flat work. I think doing stairs is awesome. And the pay is pretty good too. Not too many people are doing this kind of work anymore. This is becoming a lost art. There's not too many videos out there that are going to show you how to do this. Now we are stapling the sides here. You can see on the one there, it's not stapled yet. I will get to it, but we're going to go through and finish this up for you guys. Thanks for watching. Leave comments. Check out the finished product coming up here. Don't forget to like and subscribe. But yeah, keep going, keep going. Here it is. We're finished. This stuff looks amazing. And it does not wear out. This stuff is, this Anderson Tuftex carpet, amazing. If you're looking for this herringbone carpet, directcarpet.com, hit the chat button, and you'll be talking with me directly. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.